Imagine waking up each day with a sharper mind, enhanced focus, and a memory that just won't quit. What if I told you there are foods out there, simple, everyday foods, that can actually repair your brain cells, helping you think better, feel happier, and even slow down aging? This is not just wishful thinking. According to leading neuroscientist Dr. Swart, the
Are you
foods
tired
we
of
eat
diets
have
that
a
leave you
powerful
feeling hungry
influence
and
over our brain
deprived?
health and longevity. Today, we'll dive into the top foods she recommends to keep your mind sharp and your brain cells thriving. Stick around, because some of these foods might be things you already have in your kitchen, while others might surprise you. And you'll learn exactly how they work, the science behind them, and why your brain will thank you for making them a regular part of your diet. Before we jump into the specific foods, let's talk briefly about why this matters. Our brain is an energy powerhouse, consuming nearly 20% of our body's energy, even though it only makes up about 2% of our total weight. This high energy demand means the brain requires a steady supply of nutrients to function at its best, repair cells, and stay resilient against aging. The brain isn't a static organ. It's constantly adapting, reorganizing, and even repairing itself, a process known as neuroplasticity. But here's the catch. Neuroplasticity relies on certain nutrients to help create new connections between brain cells and repair damaged cells. Without these nutrients, the brain struggles to keep up with daily wear and tear, which can lead to issues like brain fog, memory lapses, and even mood disorders over time. Our brain cells are also vulnerable to oxidative stress, which occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals, unstable molecules, and antioxidants in our body. Over time, oxidative stress can damage cells, contribute to inflammation, and accelerate aging, both physically and mentally. So, adding foods rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients can protect the brain from these harmful effects and support its natural repair mechanisms. First brain-boosting food, blueberries. All right, first up, blueberries. These little berries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which are known for their powerful effects on brain health. Studies suggest that these antioxidants can cross the blood-brain barrier, directly impacting areas of the brain involved in learning and memory. Why blueberries work? Anthocyanins fight oxidative stress, reducing inflammation and protecting brain cells from damage. This can improve communication between neurons, which is essential for memory formation and overall cognitive function. In fact, some research shows that regular consumption of blueberries can delay brain aging by up to 2.5 years. Simple tip: try adding a handful of blueberries to your morning smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal. Not only do they taste great, but they're also an easy way to keep your brain resilient and sharp. Next on the list, fatty fish. Moving on to something savory. Fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA. This nutrient makes up a significant part of our brain's cell membranes, playing a critical role in supporting communication between brain cells. Why fatty fish works? Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, support brain cell repair, and promote neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and grow. Several studies have linked higher omega-3 intake with improved mood, better cognitive performance, and even a reduced risk of Alzheimer's. Quick suggestion: aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week. If fish isn't your thing, look for plant-based sources of omega-3s, like flax seeds or chia seeds, though they're slightly less potent. Now, let's talk about turmeric. This might surprise you, but turmeric isn't just a cooking spice. It's a powerful brain booster. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can cross the blood-brain barrier, allowing it to directly benefit brain cells. Why turmeric works? Curcumin helps increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein linked to improved mood and cognitive function. Low levels of BDNF are associated with brain-related diseases and even depression. So turmeric's role in boosting BDNF is invaluable. How to incorporate turmeric? Try adding a pinch of turmeric to your tea or morning smoothie. Or consider turmeric supplements if you don't like the taste. Just remember to pair it with black pepper, as this increases curcumin absorption significantly. The avocado, the brain's best friend. Next on the list is avocado. This creamy green fruit is loaded with monounsaturated fats, which promote healthy blood flow, an essential factor for brain function, since the brain depends on a steady, rich blood supply to deliver oxygen and nutrients. Avocados are a fantastic food for supporting mental clarity and focus. Why avocado works? Monounsaturated fats help lower bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the brain's blood vessels. A healthy blood flow means the brain is more efficiently supplied with everything it needs to keep cognitive functions strong and stable. Plus, avocados are rich in vitamin K and folate, both of which are linked to lower rates of cognitive decline. Easy add-in: scoop some avocado onto your toast, blend it into a smoothie, or add it to salads. It's a versatile ingredient that can be easily incorporated into a variety of meals. Dark chocolate, a sweet brain treat. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate is a brain-friendly food. Dark chocolate, especially varieties with high cocoa content, contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants that offer a natural boost to cognitive performance. Why dark chocolate works? Flavonoids in dark chocolate stimulate blood flow to the brain and can improve memory, mood, and even learning ability. Studies show that people who consume dark chocolate regularly may experience improved brain plasticity, supporting learning and memory. And let's not forget about its mood-enhancing effects. Dark chocolate can trigger the release of feel-good chemicals like serotonin and endorphins. Best ways to enjoy: opt for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content for maximum brain benefits. A small piece as an afternoon snack or a sprinkle of cocoa powder in your yogurt can go a long way toward nourishing your brain. Broccoli, the green powerhouse. It's not just your mom who says to eat your greens. Science backs it up, especially when it comes to broccoli. This vegetable is rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin K, which all play key roles in maintaining brain health. Why broccoli works? Vitamin K is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat that's densely packed in brain cells, contributing to cognitive performance. Additionally, broccoli's anti-inflammatory properties help protect the brain from damage due to oxidative stress, keeping memory and cognitive functions in peak condition. Quick serving tips: add broccoli to stir fries, steam it as a side dish, or even toss it in your favorite salad. A few servings a week can make a significant difference in supporting your cognitive health. Walnuts, the brainy nut. Walnuts are often called brain food for a reason. They're packed with DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that's critical for brain function. In fact, just a handful of walnuts a day can provide the amount of DHA recommended for cognitive health. Why walnuts work? DHA helps reduce inflammation in the brain and supports the growth of new neurons. Studies have shown that people who eat walnuts regularly perform better on cognitive tests, suggesting improved memory, concentration, and processing speed. Plus, walnuts contain antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative stress, keeping your mind clear and focused. Easy snack. Idea: walnuts make a great snack on their own, or you can sprinkle them over salads, add them to smoothies, or include them in homemade trail mixes for a brain-boosting snack on the go. Green tea, the calm focus. Booster. Green tea is loaded with L-theanine, an amino acid known for promoting relaxation without drowsiness. This combination of calm and alertness is a perfect recipe for optimal brain function, particularly when you need to focus or stay calm under stress. Why green tea works: L-theanine, combined with a modest amount of caffeine, can improve focus, reaction time, and memory. Green tea also has antioxidants, like catechins, that protect the brain from damage and may reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases over time. Best times to drink green tea. Try having a cup of green tea in the afternoon to replace your coffee. It'll give you a gentle lift in focus without the jittery effects of caffeine. You can also add lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C and flavor. Eggs, the ultimate brain fuel. Eggs are a rich source of choline, a nutrient that's essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in mood and memory. Choline is crucial for brain health, especially when it comes to cognitive performance and maintaining mental clarity. Why eggs work. Choline supports memory and mood regulation, while B vitamins in eggs help reduce levels of homocysteine, a compound that, in high amounts, is linked to cognitive decline. Studies show that people with sufficient choline intake tend to have better brain function and memory. Simple ways to enjoy eggs. Whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs make a versatile and easy-to-add brain booster. You can include them in your breakfast routine, or add a boiled egg to salads or grain bowls for an extra nutrient boost. Pumpkin seeds, tiny but mighty. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they're packed with brain-boosting nutrients like magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. Each of these minerals plays a unique role in brain health, from supporting memory to enhancing focus and protecting against neurological damage. Why pumpkin seeds work. Magnesium helps with stress regulation, zinc is crucial for nerve signaling, and iron supports oxygen delivery to the brain. Together, these nutrients help protect brain cells and keep your cognitive functions sharp. How to use pumpkin seeds. Sprinkle them on top of salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack. A handful of pumpkin seeds a few times a week is an easy way to keep your brain nourished. Now that you know the top foods that can repair brain cells and support overall cognitive health, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Each of these foods, blueberries, fatty fish, turmeric, avocados, dark chocolate, broccoli, walnuts, green tea, eggs, and pumpkin seeds, brings unique benefits to the table, making them valuable allies for your brain. Here's a simple way to start. Try adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your daily diet. For example, enjoy blueberries in your morning smoothie, or add avocado to your lunch. These small changes can have a powerful impact on your mental clarity, focus, and even your long-term brain health. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you incorporate these foods into your diet, the better you'll support your brain's repair and protection processes. Start with the foods that fit easily into your routine and gradually build up to a more brain-focused diet. Have you tried any of these foods before, or noticed a difference in your focus or mood after eating them? Let us know in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about foods that can boost other aspects of your health, make sure to stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Your brain and body will thank you for it.